Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'm here giving a testimonial for Gabriel, the electrician. He came in. First of all, he was very quick in responding to my text message. I got his contact from Craigslist, and out of the 3 people I contacted, he was the one who was very quick in responding to my text. He installed a light in my shower, and he also installed 2 GFI outlets outside. And also my refrigerator GFI had something wrong in it, and he replaced it with a regular outlet. And he did a great job. So thank you, Gabriel, for it. I really appreciate it, and I would recommend you to other people.